Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to use iPhone as security camera. If you want to use your iPhone as a security camera, follow these easy steps. Choose a security camera app. Download the free app like Alfred, Anything, Presence, or at home from the App Store. Install the app on two devices. Install the app on both your old iPhone camera device and your new iPhone viewer device. Sign in on both devices. Open the app and sign in using the same account on both devices. Start by tapping sign up on both. Set old iPhone to camera mode. Once both logged in, on your old iPhone, on the top center, choose camera to turn it into a security camera. Set new iPhone to viewer mode. On your new iPhone, choose viewer in the top center to monitor the live stream. Position the old iPhone correctly. Place the old iPhone in a stable position with a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Secure the iPhone with a stand or tripod. Use a tripod, phone stand, or mount to keep the camera steady. Connect to Wi-Fi. Ensure the old iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network for continuous streaming. Enable motion detection. Most security apps have a motion detection feature that alerts you when movement is detected. Enable it on your old iPhone by tapping activity detection in the lower center. Enable two-way audio. Some apps allow you to talk through the old iPhone to communicate with people in a monitored area. You can use it on your new iPhone by tapping the talk icon. On your new iPhone again, activate low power mode. On your old iPhone, go to settings of Alfred camera, then toggle on low power saving mode, or by tapping the power saving in the bottom right to save battery and keep the camera running longer. Plug the old iPhone into a charger. Keep the iPhone plugged in to prevent it from running out of battery. Test the live feed. Open the app on your iPhone. Tap on the untitled camera or viewer device and check if the video stream is working. Access the feed remotely. You can now monitor your home from anywhere using the viewer device. Now, your old iPhone is set up as a security camera for real-time monitoring. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.